fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. And please, I hope you have your mat ready and you're ready to work out with me. On today's workout, I'm going to show you oblique workout. These are different things that you can do to kill all these unnecessary fat that are usually around here. I'm going to do maybe around 10 workouts, and then after that, we'll be done with it. So we're just going to go straight into it. I already did my cardio, so at least that was the warm-up that I did today. So all you need to do is warm up your body. Don't just get into it without warming up your body. And if you don't know what to do to warm up your body, there's a video I did. You can click on that link that is popping. Watch it, warm up your body, and then come back and do this. So let's get started.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye. I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say I never wanna look back.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this particular workout, thumbs up. And until next week on Friday,